Hi, today we will be discussing 3 factors you may not have considered when planning a construction project in California. If you plan to do a construction project in California, you may not have realized some of the building permits and fees that may be required. For example, you may need a conditional use permit. This permit is for projects that have a use that is not traditionally allowed in a zoning district, but may be approved if certain criteria are met. Typically, this permit is used to approve unique builds, such as industrial projects or mixed-use projects that may have an effect on the environment or community. Next, you may need an air quality control permit for a construction project in California. This permit is typically required when the project results in air pollutants that exceed certain limits. This permit is intended to ensure that any development projects do not create a hazard to public health or safety by emitting hazardous substances into the environment. This could include installing pollution control devices, such as filtration systems or smokestacks, or the use of approved materials that have been tested for low emissions. You may also need to pay a transit impact fee. This fee is typically imposed when a new development project is expected to generate additional vehicular traffic in an area. This fee pays for infrastructure improvements needed to accommodate the additional vehicles, such as road and other transportation improvements. When planning a construction project in California, you may not have taken seismic activity into account. California is prone to earthquakes, so special measures must be taken into account when designing buildings. These buildings must be safe and stable during an earthquake. For example, reinforced concrete and steel are often used to help stabilize structures. When planning a construction project in California, you may also want to consider the soil conditions of the construction site. The soil conditions of a construction site play a crucial role in determining the stability of a building during an earthquake. Different types of soil have varying characteristics, such as liquefaction potential or amplification of ground motion, which can significantly impact the performance of the structure. Failing to conduct thorough geotechnical investigations and soil testing can lead to inadequate foundation design and potential structural failures. So there you have it. 3 important factors to consider when doing a construction project in California: building permits and fees, seismic activity, and the soil conditions of the site. See you next time.
Brought to you by Lending.com, where property investors find lenders.